everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about fennel, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with fennel. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beans in general, cannellini beans, cashews, chestnuts, chicken, chickpeas, edamame, eggs, fish in general, green beans, hazelnuts, lamb, lentils, nuts in general, pecans, pistachios, pork, pumpkin seeds, salmon, sausage, scallops, sesame seeds, shellfish, snap peas, walnuts, and white beans. In the vegetable category, other vegetables that go well with fennel includes artichokes, arugula, asparagus, beets and beet juice, bell peppers, carrots, cauliflower, celery, celery root, chilies, chives, cucumbers, eggplant, endive, escarole, garlic, ginger, greens of all types, leeks, lettuce of all types, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radicchio, radishes, scallions, shallots, squash, that includes summer and winter squashes, tomatoes and tomato sauce, turnips, watercress, and zucchini. In the fruits category, we have apples, avocados, cherries, especially dried cherries, citrus fruits in general, clementines, the little oranges, cranberries, especially dried cranberries, figs, grapefruits, lemons, limes, mangoes, olives, oranges, especially blood oranges, peaches, pears, and pomegranates. In the way of grains and grain products, there is breadcrumbs, couscous, grains in general, millet, pasta, quinoa, rice, spelt, and wild rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, we have butter, cheese in general, but especially goat cheese, gorgonzola, Gruyere, Parmesan, and ricotta cheeses, and cream. In the other foods category, there's honey, liqueurs, especially those with anise or a licorice flavor, mustard, as in prepared mustard, oil in general, but especially olive oil, soy sauce, stock, tamari, vermouth, vinegar, especially balsamic, champagne, cider, raspberry, and white wine vinegar, and wine, especially dry white wine. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas on what to do with fennel. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.